Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm gonna show you how to do gel nails quickly and easily, even if the nail plate of the client is very wide. At first guys, we always work with cuticles. After disinfection and removing the bacteria, I always use the pusher and rolling down cuticles to the limit. This process is very important because some nail technicians don't do it properly, and after they face with problems when the cuticle line of the gel polish is not straight enough or neat enough, and sometimes the product can get or can flow on the cuticles, on the skin, and it makes your work look not so good, and sometimes it seems like the beginner's work. And as you can see now guys, I'm working with the long flame drill bit. It's also very important to use the correct drill bit, which doesn't leave any gaps in the nail plate, because on some nails you can see something like the holes. This was because of not the correct drill bit, and if the surface of this drill bit is rounded, it can leave something like the holes or gapes in the cuticles in the nail plate. The next step, we need to remove the gloss or the shine from the nail plate. It's needed for the best connection between the product and the natural nail. We always use primers such as acid primer and the gel primer, and also very important motion, like you see on the video. It's needed for preparing the area where liftings are always usual. So after moving our brush in cuticles area up and down, we avoid such problems like liftings in this area, because we now work with the hard product, and the hard product can be lifted only in cuticles area. So this way we protect our nail plate for such problems. Okay guys, now you see me working with high quality nippers. The next month I will provide you with the best nippers I have ever used. The matter is that I have ordered the personal model, personal models of nippers with my logo, with the logo of shapeofnail.com. These nippers will be made from high quality steel, and they be hand sharpened, so it will be great pleasure to work with using such tools, such nippers and scissors. Now you see me working, guys, with the beautiful, amazing sculpting mix gel. This is the pink gloss sculpting mix gel, which I'm loving to work with, and it has semi-transparent effect. It camouflages the nail plate perfectly and it looks very natural. And of course you may use it as a base, and of course you may sculpt the free edge using the same gel. You need only the top coat, the top coat to finish your work. So in this work I used the bonder and thin layer of this gel. We cure it in 1 minute in LED lamp, and after we are placing forms and sculpting free edge using the gel brush. As you can see, as I told before, this gel has semi-transparent effect. Maybe it seems to you that it's not good, but for sure when you apply the infill or inlay of gel nails on your natural nails, you will be amazed with such beautiful tone. It's very natural. And my wife always asking me to work exactly with this gel. Of course you may choose another tone of sculpting mix gel. All of them are amazing. I had no idea to create such tones which will not be adorable by my clients, because I don't want to make products that will be always laying on the warehouse and nobody use them. That's why I have chosen about 10 shades of sculpting mix gel. Each tone has particular name. You may visit my online store shapeofnail.com and you may order all these tones. We have different quantities, about 10 milliliters or 60 milliliters of jars, so you may use any quantity, any kind of bottle, you like, and try this product. So I can tell you guys that this is the best product which I have ever used for sculpting nails. I tried to work with acrygel. I can say that these products are good, but I tried to work fast. No one product lets me work faster than this one, because it's not too liquid and not too thick. I can easily take the product on my brush as much as I can, not too much or not too low, and I may control the amount of gel on my brush, and if I need to work faster, I may place this product on each nail, not step by step. I mean, I place product on all nails simultaneously, and it gives me a chance to do nails in 20 minutes. And of course it's very easy to file this gel, as you can see on the video. I'm using the barrel gel bit, and this gel bit helps me to remove the large pieces of gel and also in cuticles area. As you can see, the dust of this gel is not too small, and this is the great thing too, because these large particles of dust will never get into your length, because your face mask will easily protect you from this dust. And also these particles are very heavy, and they always lying on the table or dust collector. But I know that if we work, for example, with another drill bits, another kind of sculpting gels, in this case the dust is very light, the dust is everywhere in your room, on your furniture, and your friends, your children always breathe this dust, and no gadget protects from this dust. So you ask me about how to protect yourself. I think that the best way is the special dust collector, which can be built into the table and which is removing the dust outdoor. I mean, not the dust collector, Chinese dust collector that people keeping on the table. This one is not very good because it doesn't remove the fragrance from the air and smell of products. If you don't feel the smell of product, it doesn't mean that the product has no smell. I think that the best way to remove all this shit outdoor into the street, but don't breathe this dust and the smell of products in your room. You should think about your health and health of people around you. Someone said that it's not good to remove this smell into the street, because there are a lot of people. I think that people who are walking on the street will get less harm than in case if you smell all day. So guys, let's come back to our nail design, and as you can see, I have applied the magnet effect gel polish and placing rhinestones in the cuticles area. So here we go. Let's take a look on the result on nails that we had before. They look very bulky, and now they look more elegant than before. And as you can see, the color, the dark color of gel polish helps us to make nails look thinner. This gel will be stay on more than 1 month, and no matter what work your client does, you can be sure that your client will be happy with these nails, and she will come back to you because the product is very long lasting, never have liftings, All these products you may order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping all over the world. See you guys in the next videos. Bye!